Hello students, now in this video we'll see the second topic of 7th lesson of Maths 2 for standard 10, that is frustum of the cone. Okay, for a given cone, if we slice or cut a plane parallel to its base and remove that smaller cone, we slice it or cut from this part, okay, parallel to the base, okay. The leftover part on other side of the plane is called the frustum of the cone, and we slice it. इसको कट करेंगे हम लोग और उसको क्या करेंगे, ऊपर का जो टॉप का जो कोन पार्ट रहेगा उसको क्या करते हैं हम लोग, रिमूव करते हैं. ठीक है, रिमूव करने के बाद जो फिगर बचेगा that is called the frustum. Okay, it has three faces. One is this curve face, okay, the base which is circular base, and this top that is also circular. Okay, so here in this frustum, this h is the perpendicular height, this L is called the slant height, R1 the radius of that upper circular part, and this R2 is the radius of the base of the frustum, and here R2 is greater than R1. If R2 is greater than R1, then the slant height, formula to find slant height is equal to square root of h square plus R2 minus R1 bracket square. Second formula is curved surface area of that frustum is equal to pi L R1 plus R2, and third is total surface area is equal to pi L bracket R1 plus R2 plus pi R1 square plus pi R2 square. In total surface area, we have to consider this curved surface area. After that, area of this base and area of this top, and both areas, top and bottom, both are in circular face. Okay, so we use the formula to find area of the circle, that is pi R square, that is pi R1 square plus pi R2 square. And now volume of that frustum is given by 1/3 into pi h bracket R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2. So by using these four formulas, we have to solve practice set 7.2. First example is the radii of two circular ends of frustum shaped bucket are 14 cm and 7 cm. So here 14 cm and 7 cm is given. So here 14 is greater. So we put value of that R2 is equal to 14 cm and R1 is equal to 7 cm. Okay, R1 अपना small है इसलिए R1 की value 7 cm लेते हैं और R2 की value 14. Height of the bucket is 30. Height, that means h is given, that is equal to 30 cm, and how many liter of water can it hold. तो वो बकेट की कैपेसिटी क्या रहेगी वो अपने को फाइंड करना है. सो फॉर दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड फर्स्ट वॉल्यूम ऑफ दैट बकेट. हमको क्या फाइंड करना पड़ेगा, पहले वॉल्यूम फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. सो वी राइट हियर वॉल्यूम ऑफ द बकेट इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ बकेट इज इक्वल टू, it is 1/3 pi h bracket R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2, that is equal to 1/3 into value for pi we take as a 22/7 into h is 30 into bracket, okay, into bracket R1 square is 7 square, R1 square is 7 square plus R2 that is 14 square plus R1 into R2 that is 14 into 7. Okay, that is equal to 3 1s are 3 10s are 30, 22 into 10 that is 220/7 into bracket 7 square is 49, 14 square it is 196, and 14 sevens are it is 98. Okay, now after that is equal to 220/7 into bracket. Now addition of all these numbers, 49 plus 196 plus 49 plus 196 plus 98, that addition is equal to 343. Just simplify here. 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28, 6 is left, 7 9s are 63, that is equal to 220 into 49, and 220 into 49, that multiplication is 10,780. You can check it. Okay, so this is the volume for that bucket, that is centimeter cube. Okay, 10,780 centimeter cube, but 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. This is given. And therefore capacity of bucket in liters is equal to volume of bucket divided by 1000. उसको 1000 से क्या करना है, डिवाइड करना है. ओके, दैट इज इक्वल टू, it is 10,780 divided by 1000. So this zero get cancelled. Now we have to divide this 1078 by 100. We have to divide it. So क्या करेंगे, सिर्फ 100 से डिवाइड करना है. 100 के अंदर 2 zeros है, तो राइट साइड से just left 2 digit and put the decimal point. So you will get 10.78 liters. Okay, and therefore the capacity of bucket is 10.78 liters. Okay, and only this liter, 10.78 liter water can that bucket hold, you can say. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this first example. Now the second example is the circumferences of circular faces of frustrum are 132 centimeter and 88 centimeter. Its height, okay, is 24 centimeter. To find the curved surface area of the frustrum, complete the following activity, and value for pi is given. Pi is equal to 22/7. We have to consider. Okay, so here it is given that circumference 1, we consider circumference because this upper part of this circular is frustrum is circular shape है उसका, तो उसका circumference का formula it is 2 pi r. ये circumference का formula. Okay, so 2 pi r is equal to 132. This is given. So from that equation we find r1 is equal to 132/2 pi. That is equal to 132 divided by 2 into value for pi is 22/7. That is equal to, you will get it as 132/2 into, just convert this division into multiplication, then you will get 7/22. Oh, now simplify this. 11 2s are 22, 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22, then 2 1s are 2, 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 3s are 6, that is equal to 7 3s are, that is equal to 21 centimeter. Okay, this is the first radius, that is equal to r1, and therefore r1 is equal to 21 centimeter. Now find circumference 2. Circumference 2 is equal to 2 pi r2, that is equal to 88. It is given, and therefore same r2 is equal to 88/2 pi. Okay, that is equal to, same case will come here, so we write directly here 88/2, value for pi is 22/7, so into 22/7. Okay, that is equal to 88/2 into 7/22. 22 1s are 22, 22 4s are 88, 2 1s are 2 2s are, that is equal to 7 2s are 14 centimeter, and therefore r2 is equal to 14 centimeter. Okay, this is the value for r. After that find the slant height. Okay, so slant height is equal to, formula for slant height is equal to square root of, it is h square plus, it is r1, or r2 is greater here, no, r1 is greater, so r1 minus r2 bracket square will be there, that is equal to square root of h, value for h it is 24 square plus, now here slant height, here the formula for slant height we take as pi is slant height is equal to square root of h square plus r1 minus r2 bracket square. यहाँ पे जो मैंने फॉर्मूला दिया उसके अंदर कैसा है, r2 minus r1, so in this case r2 is greater than r1, बराबर है, और यहाँ पे कौन ग्रेटर है, R1 इज ग्रेटर, इट इज गिवन। अगर जो R1 ग्रेटर रहेगा, जो भी R ग्रेटर रहेगा उसमें से सेकंड R को क्या करना है, इधर माइनस करना है। ओके, सो h स्क्वायर इज गिवन, दैट इज 24 स्क्वायर प्लस 21 माइनस 14 ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 24 स्क्वायर इज 576 प्लस 21 माइनस 14 दैट इज 7 square, that is equal to 576 plus 49, that is 625, and square root of 625 is 25 only. Square root of 625, that is 24. 25. So this is the value for slant height. Now the curved surface area of frustum, formula is pi L into bracket R1 plus R2. Value for pi is given as 22 upon 7. So it is 22 upon 7 into slant height, that is 25 into bracket R1. R1 we calculate as a 21 plus R2 is 14. Okay, that is equal to 22 upon 7 into 25 into this addition 4 plus 1 5 and 3 2 plus 1 that is 3. Just simplify here, 7 ones are 7 5s are 35 is equal to 25. Just take multiplication of both the terms, 25 into 22. So 25 2s are 50, 5 carry, 25 2s are 50 plus 5 55 into 5, that is equal to 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 5 5s are 25, 26 27. So 2750 centimeter square, that is the value for frustum, curved surface area of that frustum. Okay, now we'll see the next example. Now the third example from practice set 7.2 is the radii of end of frustum are 14 cm and 6 cm respectively, and its height is 6 cm. Find its curved surface area, total surface area and volume. Okay, so here radii are given 14 cm and 6 cm. Greater radius we denoted by R2 and small radius we denoted by R1. So R1 is equal to 6 cm it is given, and R2 is equal to 14 cm. Okay, after that h is given, height is given, that is equal to 6 cm. Now first we have to find curved surface area. Formula to find curved surface area is pi L R1 plus R2. So here L is not given, slant height is not given. So from this given information we have to find the slant height. Okay, so formula to find slant height is L is equal to square root of h square plus R2 minus R1 bracket square. Okay, that is equal to square root of h square, but h is nothing but 6. So 6 square plus R1 or R2 is 14 minus 6 bracket square, that is equal to square root of 6 square is 36 plus 14 minus 6, it is 8 square, that is equal to square root of, it is 36 plus 8 square is 64, that is equal to square root of 100, and square root of 100 is 10, and therefore the value for slant height is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, now after that we find first curved surface area. So here we write here curved surface area of frustum is equal to, or curved surface area is equal to, curved surface area is equal to, formula is pi L into bracket R1 plus R2. Okay, now the value for pi we took as 3.14 into L is 10 into bracket R1, that is 6 plus R2 is 14. Okay, that is equal to, now multiplication of 3.14 into 10, it will be 31.4. only एक decimal point क्या करना है, एक प्लेस एक डिजिट आगे जाना है, तो you will get 31.4 into 20, that is equal to, now we add 0 we first add here, and then multiply 31.4 by 2 only, so 2 4s are 8. Okay, after that decimal point is there, no need here, then 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. Now here after decimal point there is one digit from right hand side, left one digit and put the decimal point, you will get 628 centimeter square, that is the curved surface area. Now after that find total surface area. Second, total surface area. So total surface area is equal to, formula to find total surface area is pi L into bracket R1 plus pi pi l into bracket r1 plus r2 plus pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. Okay, so from both the quantities we can take pi common. So pi l into bracket r1 plus r2, this value we just calculate here, we put that value itself to 628 as it is. Okay, plus this pi we took common pi, and into bracket r1 square plus r2 square is left. Okay, that is equal to 628 plus this pi keep as it is. Our value for pi is nothing but 3.14 into r1, that is 6 square, plus r2, that is 14 square, is equal to, it is 628 plus it is 3.14 into bracket 6 square, that is 36, and 14 square, that is 196. Addition of both the terms you will get as 628 plus 3.14 into addition of both the terms you will get as 232, that is equal to 628 plus now 3.14 into 232, that multiplication you will get as 728.48. now addition of both the terms you will get as 1356.48 centimeter square. Okay, so in this way you have to find the total surface area of that frustum. Now the last topic is volume. Third one, volume of frustum is equal to, volume of frustum is equal to, it is 1/3 pi h bracket r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2, that is equal to 1/3 into value for pi, that is 3.14 into h, that is height, it is 6, into bracket r1 that is 6 square plus 14 square plus 6 into 14. Okay, then 3 ones are 3 twos are, you can simplify here, then you will get 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, so 6.28 into 6 square, that is 36, plus 14 square, that is 196, plus 14 6 are, it is 84. Okay, that is equal to 6.28 into, now addition of all the terms you will get as 316, and 316 into 6.28, after taking that multiplication you will get 1984.48 centimeter cube, and therefore at last we write as the curved surface area, is equal to 628 centimeter square. Then total surface area is equal to 1356.48 centimeter square, and volume is equal to 1984.48 centimeter cube. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this exercise 7.2 from 7th lesson. Okay, now in next video we'll see how to solve the third exercise, that is exercise number 7.3. Thank you.